Welcome to Tallinn, Estonia, one of Europe's most well-preserved medieval capitals, and a city where centuries-old history blends seamlessly with modern technology. As we walk through the streets today, we'll explore not only what you're seeing, but also who lives here and what life is like in Tallinn, being one of Northern Europe's most fascinating cities. As we check out these old city ruins here. Gonna go through the big gate here, and looks like this is where the action is. Tallinn is home to approximately 460,000 people, making it by far the largest city in Estonia. Metropolitan area has over 600,000 people, meaning nearly half of the country's population lives in or around the capital. That's cool. Estonia itself has a population of 1.37 million. Making it one of the least populated countries in the European Union. Despite its small size, Estonia consistently ranks among Europe's most digitally advanced nations. A lot of TikTokers here. Average age here is 42, reflecting much of Europe's aging population. However, the city itself attracts a steady flow of university students, technology workers, entrepreneurs, and young professionals from across Europe. Tallinn's population is approximately 68% Estonian, 28% Russian-speaking residents, and 4% other nationalities, including Ukrainians, Finns, Latvians, Belarusians, and an increasing number of international workers. And you can go to the Salamander and get you a new pair of shoes. Are those Nikes? No, those are my Manders. I got stamps if you want to send a letter from home. All right, we're getting into it now. Got a museum here. Medieval torture instruments. I'm gonna take Marie there if she misbehaves. Try some stuff out. Old Hansa. Median monthly gross salary here in Tallinn is approximately 2,100 euros, noticeably higher than Estonia's national average. Check out this large church here. Yeah, it smells ridiculously good here. I don't know. Cinnamon? What are we smelling?
I don't know. It smells great. Eat it,
Whatever it is, we're going to find it. We're going to eat it. Might be the outro of the video. Us eating stuff. Man, we're in the spot. It's about to go down here. That is a nice church here. One of the first things you'll notice about Estonia is how clean it is. Crime levels are also relatively low. There is some petty theft in touristic areas, but it's like any major European city. Violent crime remains low. That's the big one. Like much of Europe, Estonia has a really good public transit system. The thing that makes it stand out is it is free here. Policy that attracted international attention. In the city's historic Old Town, where much of the walk takes place, a UNESCO World Heritage Site dating largely from the 13th through 16th centuries. They also have mini pancakes right here on the side of the church. Fantastic. Now, outside the old town, you will find modern buildings and offices, parks, universities. We're not there. We're checking out the old town. Show you some of this medieval architecture. So that's the cool part. They have free public Wi-Fi throughout the city. Estonia has long promoted digital services for everything from voting to filing taxes online. Speaking of taxes, if you need help with that, try out Rangeview Tax and Accounting out of Divide, Colorado. Tell J-Rod that Gare Bear sent you. Estonia's economy today revolves around technology, finance, logistics, shipping, education, tourism, and government services. Is she cat calling me? No? Okay. Look at this guy with a backpack here. He got him a nice treat. That needs to be me later. Yeah, there's where I'm going. Caffeine. Is that a good one?
They got Wi-Fi according to Google.
Been Googling on us? Nearby port of Tallinn, where we come in on the cruise ships, one of the busiest passenger ports in Europe, connecting Estonia with Finland and Sweden. Ferries pass frequently to Helsinki, making it possible for many people to commute or take day trips across the Baltic Sea. are just a lot of cool buildings here. There's the Estonian flag. Some other flag, looks fun. The Gia cool, all right. Gaia cool.
I don't know how much we want to walk versus we want to. I'll show you.
All right, guys, I'll give you a nice look into Estonia and why you should come visit Tallinn. But we're going to wrap it up here. Go find some tasty treats. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button on the way out. Like button. See you in the next one.